Hey guys, so Morley and I noticed you guys are having a couple questions on the quiz. So I pulled it up here so that this is exactly how you guys are viewing it. And this is like exactly what it looks like for you guys, just so that I can make sure everyone's on the same page. So starts up here, make sure this is your Mather email. I don't think it would let you do it if it wasn't Mather. This is gonna be the standards rubric that we'll be grading you guys on. So for 1 through 4, as you can tell, I've had a couple people say that it's the same problem over again. So for number 1, you're focusing on triangle CFE. So that would be this triangle here, CFE. So this triangle here, if you can see that with my mouse, I'm highlighting CFE. Okay, so that's gonna be for question 1. Okay, here it's gonna be angles and sides. You should really only be picking 2 or 3 of these. From what I've seen, a lot of you are picking like 5 or 6. It's either gonna be, you're gonna have angles and sides, okay? So angles and sides, usually 1 angle classification and 1 sides classification. Okay, so then here, same thing, except you're going to question 2. So that's going to be triangle BEC, okay? BEC over here, okay? So it's this triangle, okay? Make sure you're also paying attention to the directions. So the directions here tell you a hint that will help you with some of these, okay? So for 2, you're looking at triangle 2, BEC. Then for 3, you're looking at triangle BFG. And then for 4, you're just looking at triangle GAF. So I think some of you may have just put the same answers for all 4 questions, talking about all 4 triangles. But the first one goes to CFE. Second one is BEC. Question 2, BEC. And then question 3, BFG. And question 4, GAF. Okay? So moving on here, this problem here wasn't in any of the Khan Academy videos, but it was on the review sheet that I posted on Google Classroom. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the distance formula because I usually have that posted in the classroom while you guys are taking assessments in school. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write that here for you guys so you have it. This is your distance formula. You are using this for question number 5, okay? So after you do all of this work, what I'm expecting is that you guys have this and your work on a sheet of paper, okay? So you would do distance of WX equals blah, 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 your work there. Distance of XY, work there. Distance of WX or WY, work here, and then classify however you want to classify it by the side. So I expect to see this work, and then where it says add file here, you would take a picture of this work and upload it onto add file, okay? So take a picture first, and then you can add the file, okay? For question number 6, this looks like some do nows and exit tickets we do, so you want to recognize who made the mistake. So who's wrong here, Cindy or Maya? Why are they wrong? And then write your expanded sentence. Same thing here, you're gonna add a file, so take a picture and then upload it there. For this one, this is gonna be using triangles, using your triangles to find missing angles. So think about how many degrees do the angles of a triangle add up to? What do we know about these triangles? What do we know about all these different angle measures? Don't forget about supplementary angles, vertical angles, anything like that, okay? So this goes back to the Khan Academy video. That is gonna be, let's see, section 1. And let's go to manage. So these are some of the ones you've had. So this will go back to videos. Here, ready, finding angle measures, triangle angles review, this article, worked example triangle angles diagram. Okay, so finding angles and triangles. This is a huge exercise that you guys did for review. This will really help you with what you want to be doing on this quiz, okay? Okay, so all of these exercises, these two, finding angle measures between intersecting lines, those had all the different diagrams that you guys could look at. Worked example, triangle angles, triangle exterior angle theorem. That one looks pretty similar to the one that's on your quiz, so you might want to look at this video. Okay, so make sure you're reviewing this stuff before you take the quiz. Those Khan Academy videos will help you. It won't necessarily give you the answer, but it will definitely help you out. Okay, and then just going back to the assessment, so 7, and then the rest of it, I want you to do what I did here, so write down your work and then submit each file separately, okay? All right, so after you submit that, we'll submit that. You can submit the whole thing. Morley and I should have it graded back to you guys soon. If you have any questions while you're taking it, email us. We are more than happy to answer any emails that come our way as soon as we can, or anything like that, okay? Good luck. You guys are going to do great. I miss you all. I wish I was there to help you by your computers to do this. This was new for me and Morley. We're trying this out. If we see that it doesn't really work, we'll try to come up with a different method for quizzes if this continues past the next couple weeks, okay? We promise we're all working together to hopefully make this easier for you guys. All right, talk to you guys later.